Hey, what's up guys, I'm Tony and I'm the leader of the Swipe for Study Buddies, and today I'm going to show you how to use our Discord service. Then scan the QR code or click the link down below in the description to experience our service. After getting into our server, you'll be redirected to this page, and you can look around first and you'll see that you've been mentioned by our Discord bot. For now, it's still in beta version, so you can just look around and follow my instruction to choose tags and set up everything and match up with other guys to learn together. But in the future, we'll change it into a more professional and a better method. We'll send you a direct message to set up all the things before you start matching up with people. We're still using commands to control our Discord bot, but in the future, we'll use buttons. Type in P tags to choose tags that you're interested in, and it's basically big categories. After that, you can choose for a more specific one. Then type in create thread to create a text channel that you can talk to people who you matched up with. Sorry, I'm so nervous, so this is why I'm speaking like this, but forgive me. I'll probably do a better one after the demo day. Yeah. After the thread being created, it will be looked like this, and you can choose for people who have the same tags with you. And right now, we don't have anyone who has the same tag with as me, so I can choose anyone. After having deep convo with other people, you can type in p-close to archive the thread, and this thread can only be seen by you and the people who are in that thread. This is still the beta version of our service, but in the future we'll have a better user experience, like buttons for user interface and more things like rating system, and for people to report other users who acted inappropriate. Scan the QR code to start learning, and thank you for watching this video.